So hello broskis, in this video I'm going to show you a quick post-workout meal without me yapping all the time, because in the previous video I was yapping a lot. Now I'm just going to show you what I am eating after a strong leg day. So now I'm going to break 6 eggs and going to weigh them down. So it's totally 305 grams of pure raw home eggs. So I'm just going to put some seasoning on it. I like to put a lot of salt, then some black pepper, but you can do anything you want, and I really love chili, so let's put some good amount to them. And I also like to put garlic powder. Then what you have to do, you have to just mix it, because it's going to be scrambled eggs. I think I haven't told you that. So just mix it. So it's done. Preheat your frying pan. Put some oil in there, or I like to use duck fat, but we don't have duck fat, so I'm going to use pork fat. And if you use your oil, use some olive oil. Then I also love to prepare some ham and cheese, and I'm just going to throw it into the scrambled eggs, the raw. Or maybe I'm just going to put them into the frying pan, because it's start to getting hot. Of course the cheese I'm going to put it after the egg. So I just I want to eat a lot. I think it will be around 1000 calories, and I'm going to use cottage cheese too, but you're going to see what I'm talking about. So now I'm just going to put the ham into the frying pan. Now I'm going to put the eggs into the pan. Oh yes. And I'm just going to wait until it's over and it's done. It's almost done, so I'm going to put the cheese on it. Hey, focus. Yes, we're going to mix it. And before it's fully done, I'm just going to put, I think, 100 g of cottage cheese, and I'm going to mix it well. And I'm just going to mix it into one single meal. You have a lot of healthy fats, omega vitamins, protein. You have everything healthy in this one meal. You don't need anything else. I don't know how much calories, but I think around 1000 calories. It's going to be, oh, you don't even see it, sorry. So yes, I just mix it well, and it's ready to be served. This is the final meal, and I'm just going to eat 3 white breads next to it. It's 50 grams, these 3. So yes, that's my go-to meal after a strong workout. That's everything, broskies. Don't worry, be happy.